So good morning. This is our major project that we are doing as a final year student. Our project title is Intelligent System for Medicinal Plant Identification and the Personalized Health Recommendation. Our teammates are Karthikeyan, Shivam Kumar and Sanu Kumar. And this project is supervised by Dr. M. Kavitha. So let's get into the project summary. Our overall goal is of the project is to develop the reversed scalable system that uses deep learning to accurately identify medicinal plant from leaf images and generate personalized health recommendations based on the disease inputs. We are using the mobile net V2 model image classification with a unified fast API backend and the responsive React frontend. And we are going to develop the web and the web mobile platform web application. And we are going to deploy our project on the AWS EC2 instance. So this is our project architecture diagram. If someone opens our app or website, there will be two options: plant identification and the disease identification. In plant identification, there will be the two options: search by image and search by text. In search by text, if you know the plant name and you cannot identify which plant it is, suppose you know the name, but you don't know how it looks. So you go and search by text. If you type the name, it will give you the image of the named plant. And the other option will be search by image. Suppose take a scenario, if you are walking somewhere and you find one plant and you cannot recognize that plant. So if you want to know the name of that plant, you can use the search by image feature, where you can give the image of that particular plant leaf, and our mobile net V2 will process it and it will tell you the name of the plant and where you can use for the disease. So and the second option on the home page will be the disease identification, where the user has to fill some details like what disease name, age, gender, and the season, and the level of disease, high or normal, and the low, what type of disease here, and the prescription. If you are taking any prescription, choose yes. If you know, then choose not. And all this type of data will be queried from the Excel. There we have the solution for according to the age, disease, gender, season, level of disease, and the prescription, and it will give you the output. And one more thing, it will tell you the amount and the different of and the level of the plant which we will use here, and it will also suggest at what time you have to take, how many times you have to take a day. These things will be mentioned. And as we discussed, we are going to deploy on the AWS EC2 instance. So let's look into it. So this is our AWS cloud. Here I have deployed our project, this one, Trade Med AI. So we are going to open it and we are going to connect with our remote computer. So we have to get password for it. We will decrypt it. If we got the password, so we are going to connect with our remote cloud computer. So password, So here it is our cloud system, that computer we have borrowed or for some times, and we have chosen the window as our operating system there. So this is our project which is running on the cloud computer. Here we have, as I have mentioned, we have trained model and the Excel file and this API code in Python, and this is already running. As you can see, this is already running. And here we have the in tablet, we have the front end codes. So let me take a look into it and we will see how it looks. So EC2 instance. So this is our IP. We will copy it and we will paste it. And one more thing, in my code I have mentioned the port number, so that I have to use for this. So my port number is 5000. So we will give, then only it will work. So colon 5000. Sorry. So this is our site. Here, as I mentioned, there will be two options: leaf identification and the disease treatment. So first we will see the first option, leaf identification. So here we have two options: search by image and search by text. So we will search by text, that is means name. So suppose if I want to see the name, so we have to select the name. See how it looks. This is the name. Any other plant? Tulsi. See how it looks. Suppose if you don't know the plant name, just take the picture of the leaf and upload in the second option. Suppose moringa plant I want to find. Let's wait for the processing. So it cannot find the moringa. It says neem because it looks like it. You have to take the particular single photo of that single image, that leaf. Let's choose, try another, mint. So it is telling the mint. It is telling me mint. Now let's try another one. So this is bitter. It is giving accurate, but sometimes but 89% we are getting the accurate result. Now let's go back and we will try the second option. So as I mentioned, the user have to fill some input for getting the treatment. So first let identify for common thing, fever. That's for common fever. Age 22, gender male, disease I have normal only, season it is going summer. Any prescription? No, I am not taking any prescription. Let's submit. So it is telling me the remedy: 5 leaves of the night jasmine plant. Okay, how to use? Grind it, mix with water and boil it until it becomes half. Let it cool and then drink it 2 times a day. See how, guys, we are giving all the things, that how many times you have to take, how much you have to take, when to take, and what is the process to take it. Let's try with the another disease, cold and cough. Okay, we have another different types of cough. Let's dry cough. 22 male, normal. Let's say season maybe winter. Yes, I'm taking. So it is telling me tulsi, honey and the mulethi syrup. How to take it? Boil 10 tulsi leaves and half tea mulethi powder in 300 ml water. Reduce to 200 ml. This we have to boil until it becomes 200 ml. Add 1 spoon of honey. Take 2 times a day per day before meal. So this is our site how it looks. So let's get back. So we have two options. First one is the leaf identification, another one is the disease treatment, and we have the mobile application that we will show you.
So this is our app, Chikitsa. Let's try with the periods, irregular periods, gender 22, of course female, normal, that's rainy season, no prescription. So it is giving me the remedy and the process of taking it. Now let's change it to male. No treatment for male for irregular period. Thank you.